Hello students, welcome back to CLARIconcepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today in this lecture, we are going to solve numerical examples of an orifice meter. And those of you who have not yet viewed my previous lecture where I have explained you about the fundamental concepts of orifice meter and how it is used to measure the discharge, then kindly visit that lecture first and then come back to this numerical lecture. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand anything in this numerical lecture. Okay. So, the first numerical we have is an orifice meter with orifice diameter 10 centimeter is inserted in a pipe of 20 centimeter diameter. So, you have been given an orifice, a pipe with an orifice meter in between, and there is a fluid flowing through the pipe, right? So, this diameter, orifice diameter given to you is DO, which is 10 centimeter. So, I would say that given data, I have diameter DO as 0.1 meters because I will always use values in SI unit. Then diameter of pipe is given to you as 20 centimeters. So this diameter of pipe D1 is 20 centimeter, which means D1 is 0.2 meters. Okay. The pressure gauges fitted upstream and downstream of the orifice meter gives the reading of 19.62 Newton per centimeter square and 9.81 Newton per centimeter square respectively. What does it mean? They have mounted two pressure gauges and this pressure gauge P1 is showing you the value of 19.62 Newton per centimeter square and P2 is showing you the value of 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. Now see, when you use the values of pressure, you always make sure that again the values of pressure